Hey guys, welcome to Unique Earnings. Today I have bring brand new technique and websites from which you can make up to $7,500 per month very easily. You just have to answer questions of your choice, which you prefer to answer, and you can earn on each of your answered questions. Most importantly, you can do this task by simply sitting from your home. As I bring lots of legit earnings ways for you, you have to do some work to earn on other platforms which would you not prefer to work. But by using this website, you can grow your skills and also earn lots of dollars by answering questions of your choice. Be on video to last to know how to double your earnings on this platform. So let's start our video. So today we are going to use website name Study Pool. So first of all, I will show you the payment proof and money earned by lots of people and making lots of dollars every day. You can also see highest earners income also. First of all, I want you to go to section of Become a Tutor, and here you can see you can earn up to $7,500 a month. Now click on Apply Now. Make an account here, or you can sign up with Google also. Click on Start Your Application, and then you will get directed to this page. Now first of all, you need to follow simple steps to apply as tutor and earn money. On first step, you need to fill your original personal details to apply. Fill their details correctly and click on Save and Continue. Now here you need to select the subject or categories in which you are good or you have knowledge about specific categories. Set this price as lowest, that is $10 in starting. Later on you can change this. Now click on Save and Continue. Now most important step is here. You need to solve 3 assignments which are easy and not that though according to your choice. They take this assignment to check your knowledge and skills. You can select the assignment for any subject or category of your choice and submit the assignment. But most importantly, make sure not to submit plagiarism content. Your content must be unique and not copied from any website. You need to submit only document file or PDF file. No handwriting work will accept it, and if you do these things, your application will get rejected instantly. Now submit your 3 assignment and click on Continue. Now last and final step, you need to verify your identity just by submitting your original ID. Now submit your application, and after 12 or 24 hours they will contact you via email that your application was selected if you have followed the guidelines properly. Similarly, after selecting, you can select questions of your choice to answer and earn on each answer. You can get payout via bank transfer, PayPal, and many more. Secondly, you can earn here also by sharing your legal notes, and they pay very high for you submitted notes, so you can double your earning by sharing notes also. Hope you like video. Subscribe Unique Earnings for more earning tricks.